What's up, rappers? It's Friday, and I laid out all the offices yesterday to show off our new color line, Marble Mica. On the right here, we have Cocoa Aurum. Cocoa Aurum is a dark brown with those subtle veins that pop out of it. Lighter in gold, darker in gold. Over here to the left, we have Golden Luxe, which is a little bit lighter of a color, but also has those subtle veins. Single colors here. This is a single color. That's a single color. Let's walk in here and check out one of my favorites now. It's gonna be a top seller. It's Midnight Aurum. So it has this black undertone, of course, with these gold hues that pop out of it. Let's scoot on over here to Obsidian Silver. Obsidian Silver has already become a favorite. It's got these black undertones with the silver that kind of floats on the surface and makes these crazy effects. Check these out next to each other. Oh yeah, Obsidian Silver and Midnight Aurum. Sexy combo alone. Oh, here comes our favorite. Destin. Destin has new characteristics. Check it out. It has these blue veins that pop out of it, creating all these cool, stunning effects. That's right, we're stepping it up a notch with Marble Mica. Check it out, Destin. So at two different angles over here, it has more of a blue, but if you scoot it that way, it has more of the original Destin color. So this is a two-tone, this is a single color. Oh yeah. Destin, always everyone's favorite. Let's walk over here. This one's already become a top seller. Gilt Silver. Gilt Silver is two-tone with all these natural characteristics, gold and silver. Very beautiful. Let's check it out. Check it out. Right here is Argent Prime. It's a two-tone silver. Argent Prime is sweet. Everyone's favorite, Dry Ice. Dry Ice is a little bit different now. We've added some sparkles to it. Look at those chunky sparkles in it. You probably can't see the sparkle, but you get the gist. Let's scoot on over here to our two. These actually might be my new favorite colors. Oh yeah. This is Amethyst Prime and Forged Amethyst. Over on the right, that one is Amethyst Prime, and on the left, that's Forged Amethyst. Check those out. Guys, you know it's a wrap. Peace out. Oh yeah, I might have changed the formula a little bit. You notice how icy it is?